Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from our photo using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for the object remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove emoji from your photo, but I recommend you to select this website, cleanup.pictures. We're going to use this website to remove emoji from our photo, and we can click here to upload our photo. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, then I'm just going to select continue with SD. Then we can use the brush to remove the emoji, just like this. And then you can click on this eraser icon. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the emoji has been removed from my photo. Then if you want to download your photo, you can click on download and the photo will be downloaded or will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove emoji from our photo using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.